Good evening everyone. Good evening Sir Leo Cayos. I will discuss how compartmentation affect watertight integrity. To affect watertight integrity, limiting flood spread. The primary purpose of watertight compartmentation is to confine flooding to the damaged area, preventing it from spreading throughout the ship and potentially causing the vessel to capsize. To maintaining stability, by isolating flooded compartments help to maintain the ship overall stability and trim, even with partial flooding. Structural strength, bulkhead, which form the compartments, also contribute to the overall structural strength of the ship, making it more resilient to the stress of the sea. Safety enhancement. Compartmentation is a crucial safety feature, allowing for the isolation of damage, providing more time and opportunities for emergency response. Detection of failures. The watertight integrity of a ship is crucial for its safety, and proper compartmentation allows for faster detection. Watertight closure. Door valves and other opening penetrates. The bulkhead must be watertight and readily operable to isolate compartments during emergencies. Opening for pipes, cable, and other equipment must be properly sealed to maintain watertight integrity. Regular inspections of bulkhead and other tight compartments or components are essential to identify and address any potential damage of degradation. Consequence of compromised watertight integrity. Progressive flooding. If watertight integrity is compromised, water can flow between compartments, potentially leading to progressive flooding and loss of stability. Loss of buoyancy and stability. Flooding can reduce a ship's buoyancy and cause it to leak or trim excessively, potentially leading to sinking. Watertight ingress can damage electrical system, cargo, and other equipment, potentially leading to significant economic losses. Safety hazard. Compromised watertight integrity can create hazardous conditions for crew and passengers, increasing the risk of accident and injury. And that's all for my discussion. Thank you.